Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Today, I'm just going to show y'all how to make a basic hoop earring using the items that you have around the house. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire. I am going to be doing two different sizes of hoops. This is going to be like a small hoop, and I'm going to be using this Sharpie right here. And I'm also going to be using this little glass jar that has seashells in it to make my shapes. And this just goes to show that you can use anything that you have around your house to make and create hoop earrings, okay? And you're also going to need some fish hooks to put on your project once you finish, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get right on into this DIY. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 12 gauge aluminum wire. This is 12 gauge aluminum wire. And I'm going to wrap it around my shell. And like I said, you can use anything that you have in your house to make these earrings, okay? The next thing that I forgot to mention is make sure you get yourself some either E6000 Gorilla Glue, but I'm going to show y'all how to attach these beads on using my glue gun. If and when you do decide to make these earrings, please make sure that if you make these earrings to sell, please make sure that you use some glue that is really going to give your pieces a nice strong bond, okay? So once I get it wrapped it around like that, I'm going to come up to the top where my end is. Let me show y'all. And I'm going to snip right there, okay? And I got my pair of earrings right here. I'm going to do the same thing for the Sharpie. I'm going to wrap it around a couple times. Come up to the top right here where I started. And I'm going to go ahead and snip it right there. And I have my second pair, okay? Now, I don't know why I said wire around those pliers. I don't even know if I mentioned everything that I needed, but you're going to need, did I mention everything? Your 3-in-1 pliers, your wire cutters, and of course your fish hooks and your wire. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take and just add, this is like, once you cut it, it turns into like a large jump ring. So of course you all know that whenever you're making your earrings, you never pull it apart. You always go like this with it, okay? I'm going to take and add on one of my beads, just like that. I'm going to close it up, okay? And then I'm going to take my glue gun. I'm going to come over to the top, put a smidge of glue right here, just like that. And I'm going to take my bead and bring my bead across it just like that, okay? And clean up that extra glue. Now this isn't permanent. This is not going to permanently hold this bead right here. That's why I said whatever glue you use, you want to make sure that you use either some Gorilla Glue or E6000 that's going to hold it in place. So this is one of our earrings. So now I'm going to go ahead and make one using the small hoop. Okay, so I'm going to open this up the same exact way. I'm going to put on my bead, bring it down, close it up, add on my glue. Just like that, and bring my bead around over top, just like that. Clean it up, and there you have it. Once again, I'm going to repeat what I said the first time. This is not permanent glue. This will not hold, this will not hold this permanently on this aluminum wire and wood piece. Okay, so you want to use some permanent glue, some E6000 or some Gorilla Glue to permanently bond them together. And all you do after that is you take your fish hook, or either you can make yourself a fish hook. It doesn't really matter which way you put these on because they're pretty much both the same. And then you got yourself a real jazzy pair of hoop earrings. And the thing about this is that you can add as many beads as you want. You can add 1, 2, 3 down the bottom, and you can do that for this pair as well. You can add 2 more beads, but I like the single beads because it gives the earring a different look. And you made them using 12 gauge aluminum wire. So with that being said, go and make yourself plenty. And I'm gonna repeat this for the 3rd time. Make sure that if and when you decide to do these earrings, that you use some glue that is really going to bond. You don't want to use this, and I'm going to show you why you don't want to use it. Because it's not permanent. It will eventually open up. But if you put permanent glue in there, let it sit for about 48 hours. Don't bother with it. It will become permanent. Okay? So with that being said, now the glue gun is good when you use it on some things, okay? On some things. But I would not trust it gluing it like this. Okay? I wouldn't trust it. I would want to use some permanent glue. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next video, peace. Ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.